Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a reminder about your ongoing parking session at a time interval of your choice on the EasyPark application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on the settings button. That's the second option, and here click on notifications at the top of the screen, and here you can find the active parking session button or function. So here you can set the reminder about your ongoing parking session at a time interval of your choice that you can select on this slide. As you can see, the default is 15 minutes, but as you tap on this button, you can drag it on the slide, thereby changing it, and then click on the push notification button down below and then click on settings. So you will be directed to your phone's settings, where you need to allow the application to have access to your notifications. So click on notifications and click on this button on the right side, then go back, and now you will be able to set the notification and change the time interval on the slide as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.